Traveling to Australia for the first time? Are you a backpacker or a seasonal worker thinking of taking up a casual job here in Australia? You could end up working in an agricultural farm field, or maybe you've decided to take up a job in the healthcare sector. Or hospitality sounds more promising to you? You could also end up working at a meat processing factory. Starting work in a new environment can often be daunting. Thinking about health and safety in the workplace is natural because falling sick is not an option. Every day, you breathe in at least 1,000 viruses and bacteria into your system. Taking a few preventive measures can go a long way in keeping you healthy. Hygieia provides its users with the ability to be one step ahead of infections and be aware of the preventive measures that can be taken. Infections and preventive measures have been categorized based on the work environment to make it easy for users to look for them. Most infections are vaccine preventable, and being immunized is one way of ensuring that we do not fall sick. Our vaccination page shows the shots that should have been taken based on users' origin country and also provides a list of vaccines available in Australia for comparison. The Hospital Finder app on the vaccination page allows users to find public and private hospitals along with language preferences and location filters. In addition to providing information about infections, Hygieia also provides weather forecasts for the next 5 days, indicating any fluctuations in the temperature, wind speed, and so on, encouraging users to be more cautious. Some of the other features provided by Hygieia include immunity awareness and a historical snapshot of advanced infections based on their medium of spread. Visit www.webhygieia.tech to stay ahead and stay safe.